we weren't around to see the formation of the solar system. So why do we think that it happened the way we do? Well, we think that the solar system collapsed from a nebula, or rather a nebula collapsed in a lot of different places and it's kind of clumpy, and each one of those clumps formed a protostar around which there was a protoplanetary disk. This disk of material that didn't quite make it into that star, swirling around it. And out of that is what the planets were made. So what's our support for this? Well, we can't watch this process from start to finish because it takes much longer than the human timescale. But what we can do is we can look out into the cosmos. We can look out into the galaxy nearby us and look for other stars, young stars that are at various processes of these stages. So I'm going to put an image right below. And this is taken with infrared. So this is various images that are of young star systems. And you can see those little gaps in those rings in some of those places. That's where we think planets are actually carving their way out of this disk. Now, most of that material eventually we think is going to be used up. And once that material is used up and the star really ignites and turns on, its solar wind or stellar winds turn on, it's going to essentially blow that material away. And what's going to be left behind are going to be planets and are going to be comets and asteroids that never quite finished making it into larger structures, into planets. So yeah, what we do is we look for examples, for snapshots. We look for lots and lots of examples, and we put the whole thing together like a puzzle.